Welcome to Colorado. When you go to someone's house, a friend of yours, and they live on a cool place, this is what you do to give them a demo. The first one was a Mob 8 with the O3 air unit. This one is a Grinderino with HD0. And I asked my buddy to record my launch, and I guess I could put that in here. Let me go back in the editing room here in a second and do that. So I figured instead of giving you AI to distract you, I'll just talk to you through this. So just trying to do some quick passes, show them kind of what this is. They've never seen anything like this before. And like most people that have no idea what FPV is, they live on a golf course, so it's very pretty here. And I start off with the Grinderino with the HD0 on this part, just because it was the most fun, especially because my buddy, he's like, are you sure those propellers can lift all that weight? Because it's a lot of weight carrying a 6S with 3.5-inch props, but as you can see, it's not a problem. And they thought the flips were cool. You'll see here in a minute, there's some really great stuff out here that I could have crashed it into some trees and done some power loops, but I don't know how to do a lot of that stuff yet. And I didn't want to go out looking for a broken Grinderino, even though that's actually what ended up happening. I have no idea why, but you'll see in a little bit that it just falls out of the air for like, I don't know why. The battery wasn't too low, and I just lost all control of it, and it just basically tumbled. So put it in the comments if you know what the heck happened or have an idea. So I'm just doing some fun stuff. And the other thing is explaining HD0. Oh crap, where'd it go? Right? That's the cool thing about HD0 though, is just give it some throttle, figure out where you are, get up high enough, and you get your signal back. Whereas with the DJI 03, that's probably not going to happen. And here we go. I don't know, man. It just flipped out. So here we are with the Mobula 8 HD with 03. And you can see I'm in the same place, and I even end up in some worse spots over here, just where even my goggles 2 are flashing red because it's getting like a low signal. It's about like this though, you know, no problem. So quite a difference. You sacrifice latency for quality, whereas with the HD0 there's no sacrifice in latency, but your quality can degrade quite.
Got it. What? What?
You got it right.
There it goes. There it goes.